Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here at Dollar General and we are about to get some free cleaning supplies, and it's going to be a money maker. You don't need any coupons. But before I get started, I just want to apologize to all of my subscribers and all of my viewers. I have not been on lately. I haven't made a video in over 2 weeks. I've made some shorts here and there. But guys, I just needed to take a break from social media. For those of you who are content creators, you know what I'm about to say, and you probably know how I'm feeling, but being a content creator can be very overwhelming with the negativity. People always criticizing what you're doing, always want you to do something this way, that way, their way. And they just don't realize that, you know, putting these scenarios together, making these videos, traveling, doing this and that, it takes a lot and it's draining, and we don't need all the negativity to be added to what we're doing, because what we're doing is already hard and stressful, and then we have to deal with all the what do you call them, internet trolls and negativity and things like that. If you don't like what someone's videoing, just keep going. If you don't like the way they're doing a deal, just don't do it. You know, stop with the negative comments, stop with the inboxing, stop with the emailing, because it's ridiculous. And you know, if you don't have anything kind to say, just don't say nothing at all, because a lot of us are doing this to help people. And when we're doing this to help people and we're getting drained by other people who are not doing this to help people or not willing to help people, it becomes overwhelming. So I just had to take a break, but I'm back, I'm refreshed, and I have an amazing deal for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit that subscription button and the bell right next to it if you're watching me on YouTube. If you're watching me on Facebook, hit that follow button. And guys, if you have not downloaded Ibotta, please do so, because that is the app that you're going to need to get these cleaning products for free. And like I said, it is overage. So it doesn't matter if you are in a new store of Dollar General, an old store, whatever, you're going to get overage because it is Dollar General. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm camera around so that I can show you guys exactly what we're going to do. So I am in the dollar aisle, because that is where we're going to do our deals. But first, let me go around to the other aisle, because some people may not have these products in their dollar aisle. So I'm going to come in the regular aisle so that you can do the deal, whether the products are in the dollar aisle or they're in the regular aisle. Okay, hold on guys, I'm running into stuff. I'm usually like dropping stuff, but I guess I don't have anything to drop right now, so I'm just running into stuff. So I'm just looking to see if they have the products, because some of these products that are regular size were in the clearance sale, so they wouldn't be here. Okay, so here we go. So here, guys, they have the Penolin, and they have two different sizes. They have this size, which is $3.50, and then they have that big one back there, which is $6. So on Ibotta today, these just popped up. They are giving $1.50 back for any Penolin product, any size, any variety, and you get $1.50, and you can get up to 5 of them. Okay, so that works on there. And it's just those 2 cents that I see for the Penolin. Now, I was looking for the Chloralin, but I probably am not going to find it because it was on clearance over the weekend for the Dollar General clearance sale. And it was on clearance for like $1.75, the big bottle of it, but it looks like they were all bought out, so I can't show you that one, but I can show you a picture. So this Chloralin right here, this yellow one, was on sale, I think, for like $1.25 or something like that this weekend. So it's regularly like $3 something. So if your store still has those, you can buy those and you can get $1.50 back which will make them like half price. But guys, we're going to do a deal where we're going to get these cleaning products for free, plus we're going to get some overage. Okay, so let's start with the chlorine products. Okay, so in the dollar aisle, they have this chlorine products, and it's not, well, I call it the dollar aisle, but I think they call it the value aisle or something like that. But just know it's where you see all the dollar thingies at. And it's better to do this deal here than anywhere else because it's only $1. Like, I know the Dollar Tree sells some of these products, but they're $1.25. I don't think the rebate's on there for the Dollar Tree, but I'm just, you know, giving you guys an example. So this chlorine is $1.25. And then they have this chlorine, which is $1.25. The chlorine with bleach. And then they have the chlorine Aramis or Aramis. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's $1.25. Now, here is the rebate. It says $1.50 back on any chlorine products, any variety, any size. And there it is again, and it says you can't use any coupons. So if you get these and you pay $1 for them, but they're giving you back $1.50, that means you're getting a 50-cent money maker for each one. Now, I scanned the yellow and the green. Those work. But let me scan this Chlorine Platinum Splash Free, because I'm not sure if that one works or not. I didn't have an opportunity to test it. So let me see if this one works. And then we'll know what products we can choose for. I usually test this stuff before I come on the camera, but I didn't see this one. I don't know how I overlooked that one. Okay, so this one does not work. Do not get that one. That does not work for the rebate. Now, you might want to submit a ticket to get it to work, you know, to get them to approve it, but I wouldn't even fool with it. I would just go right ahead and get these. The green and the yellow do work. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 5 of these. I'm going to get all yellow. All of the yellow. So they are $1, but I'm going to get back $1.50 for my bada. Scratching my arms up on this shelf. So guys, guess what? Just buying these alone is going to be a $2.50 money maker. Okay, so that is the first thing that we're going to get. Again, free cleaning supplies. The second thing we're going to get is we're going to get some of this Penolin here. Okay? Now, the green scent is the, is that the only one that I see that's Penolin? Oh, they have the red. Okay, so I know the green works, but let me see if this red one works. Guys, I have my glasses on and I still can't see stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let me check this code, because I would rather have this scent than the pine scent. 20243. Okay, so for the Penolin rebate, this one does not work, so don't get that one. But the green one does work. Now again, you can submit a ticket if you want to see if they'll approve it, but I'm not even going for that. I'm just going to get the green because I'm going to go ahead and get what's free for me. So I'm going to get 5 of those. Again, it's $1.50 back, so it'll be a 50-cent money maker on each one. So that'd be $2.50 for buying 5 of these. And hold on, let me get these in my cart. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm going to get. I'm going to get a total of 10. I'm getting 5 Penolin and 5 Chlorine. So I'm going to pay $10 at the register, but I'm going to get $15 back from my bada. So that's going to be a $5 money maker. Now, what I did do is I did submit this for a ticket, because if they approve this and the offer resets, then I'm going to come back and get that one. And I'm also going to submit a ticket for this one. So I will keep you guys updated and let you know if that's approved or if that is approved. And then I'll come back and do those. So I'm going to head up to the register with this. And I'll be right back to show you guys how it worked out. Okay, guys. So I'm back in the car. And everything worked out perfect. So here, sorry if you guys hear the air conditioner, but it's 87 degrees. I am hot. So here's my receipt. You see I got a total of 10, 5 of the Penolin, 5 of the Chloralin. My total was $10 because we don't talk about tax. Tax is different in every city, state, and borough. And just remember to make sure you have the rebates clicked before you purchase, okay? And look, I got back my $15, $1.50 back for each one. Right back instantly. So that is a $5 moneymaker. So guys, let me know if you're able to do it. Come back, let me know what you end up getting. And until the next time, keep on saving.